Make a great choice today with the 2024 Altima. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.